What is going on, people? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. You're watching Boss Your Money. Now, as a personal finance channel, I've talked a lot about the importance of creating a passive income stream. The more number of passive income streams that you're going to create for yourself, the more you're going to be financially stable and secure. Now, one of the most amazing streams of passive income that you can set up for yourself without having to invest a lot of money is, of course, starting your own brand new YouTube channel. I know that it doesn't seem feasible. I know that there are a lot of challenges when it comes to starting your own personal YouTube channel. I know that I faced many of these challenges when I started this YouTube channel. I would have started this channel way back about 3 to 4 years ago if I just came across a video just like this one that will help you overcome these difficulties. So if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel to generate an alternative stream of passive income, then this is the perfect place for you. Keep watching till the end. If you're new around here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's get straight into the video. Now, I do realize that most of you watching this video may be having a 9 to 5 job like myself, or you might have your own business, or you might even be out there looking for new work opportunities or a business opportunity for yourself. It doesn't matter what situation you're in to start a YouTube channel. Do it immediately and stay consistent. I don't obviously mean that you need to post a video every single day because that takes a lot of time and a lot of effort, which may or may not be possible for you. And I had the same issue. I work, as I said, a 9 to 5 job 5 days a week, and it becomes very difficult for me to record and edit my videos on time to post them every single week for you. And this is one of the reasons that I went from posting 3 videos a week to 1 video a week. But here's the fact, as long as you post regularly, you're definitely going to see growth and success with YouTube. There are lots of different ways to earn money when you start posting on YouTube, which we'll get into in a little bit. The first question that you're obviously going to ask yourself is, what do you post on YouTube? There are lots of different things that you could post on YouTube, and this is one thing that should never stop you from starting your own YouTube channel. Are you a parent with a little child? You might be helping them with their craft work. You could post videos of you helping create new art projects. It's very simple. You're doing it anyway. All you have to do is point your phone camera at yourself and at the artwork that you are creating and upload it to YouTube. Or maybe you cook every day. Just point your camera at the kitchen island and record every single thing that you do when you make any specific dish. And remember, there is one thing that you need to know when it comes to YouTube videos. It has to be catered to a very specific audience. Like, you are watching this video because you want to improve your personal finance. People don't come into your channel just to watch anything and everything. So if you are going to create a cooking channel, make sure that you cook a very specific type of dish. You could have your channel about creating Arabic dishes. You could have your channel creating Chinese dishes. You could even aim your channel towards people who are looking to know how to cook healthy food. Here's a really cool part. You don't even have to be in the video if you are planning to do such kind of videos. You could also do a lot of tutorial videos if that's your thing. If you're good at Excel spreadsheets, for example, you could do videos on tips and tricks on how to better and efficiently work on Excel. These are just very basic, simple examples that I'm talking about. It can be anything and everything that you do on a day-to-day basis or that you're skilled at, that you are able to generate videos on a regular, consistent basis. So here's my question of the day for you. What is it that you are planning to start your YouTube channel on, and what is it that is stopping you from starting your channel today? Let me know in the comment section, and I'm very much interested to know what exactly are the challenges that you're facing and what kind of channel you're planning to start. So you might be asking yourself, how exactly does someone earn a lot of money on YouTube? Well, it's not a very direct and simple answer. The best part about YouTube is that it is a platform that has no limits on how much you can actually earn. A lot of people who do make videos on YouTube wait for the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours that is required to enable monetization on your YouTube channel. And what that essentially means is that once you reach these targets, you can sign up for AdSense, and Google then pays you a portion of the money that they generate from showing you ads before every single video. Now, me being a new channel, I'm not monetized. As you probably noticed, many of my videos don't have an ad before it starts playing. And that is because, as I said, I'm not yet monetized because I am a new channel. So don't be discouraged by the fact that you are not able to earn enough money immediately. It does take a little bit of time to get there. But having said that, from my own personal experience, I'm well on track to get to my goals, and it's all thanks to you. So thank you for that, and hit the like button for yourselves. So as I was saying, it's not just the ads that give you income from YouTube. If you have a business, you can promote your business by making videos about your business on YouTube. You don't have to pay your advertising agents a lot of money to come up with ad campaigns and so on. It's going to be you talking about what you do best, and that comes across to the audience in a very clear way, and they will appreciate it, and they will come back to your business to get their work done. An amazing example of this is the YouTube channel Yanimize, where they do raps on cars. By the millions of people that watch this channel, they know that that dealership or that custom shop is a good shop. They do have quality products, and based on their videos, they do go to the shop and get their cars customized. So this is one example of how you can promote your business on YouTube. The second example of how you can make money from YouTube is affiliate marketing. If you have a product review channel, it can be anything. You could be reviewing this camera that I'm talking to, you could be reviewing this computer behind me, it could be anything and everything. You could review anything at all and just drop your Amazon affiliate link down in the description below. And every time someone likes the review that you've done and they go into Amazon to buy the product, you get a commission from Amazon for getting them to Amazon. Here's a really cool part. If you have dropped an affiliate link to a camera product and they're on Amazon and they're just browsing around and they end up picking up a bicycle, it doesn't matter. You still get the commission for that. So you can imagine just how powerful it is. And it doesn't have to be Amazon only. There are lots of different affiliate products that you can promote and get your commissions through that. And here's a really interesting thing. If you don't have a review channel, if you have a cooking channel, for example, you can still do this by leaving Amazon affiliate links to the spices that you're using to cook. So it can be anything and everything. And what I've done is I've left affiliate links in my description below to the books that I read on personal finance. So if any of you are interested in that, you're most welcome to check those out. Another amazing way for you to start making money on YouTube is through brand deals and sponsorships. The more niche down your channel is, the better chances you have of getting sponsors in and around your area to come and promote their products on your channel. You might have seen a lot of YouTubers saying this video is brought to you by so and so, or this video is sponsored by so and so, and all of these YouTubers have received payments from that company to promote their product on their channel. So that's how brand deals and sponsorships work. And that is another amazing way for you to start making money on YouTube. As I said, ad revenue is a great way to earn a little bit of extra money on YouTube, but that shouldn't be your primary focus when you start your YouTube channel for passive income streams. Another way that you could monetize your YouTube channel is if you've created a course, or you could do a tutorial course and upload it to a platform like Udemy, where students have to pay and purchase the course that you have created. Now, obviously, people are not going to directly go and pay and purchase your course, right? So you could give snippets of the course on your YouTube channel, and once you build that trust with them, you could then point them towards the entire complete course that you have created, and they will be more than happy to pay a little bit to get all of that information that you've gathered for them. You could also even set up an e-commerce website selling products, selling merchandise, and earn money from that. Your channel could be anything and all you have to do is be connected to your audience so they are willing to go and buy the products that you have set up on your store. And a great example for this is what the Sidemen do with their e-commerce shop, the Sidemen clothing shop. So all of this considered, there is no reason for you to not start your own YouTube channel, and let me know in the comment section if you are planning to start right away. All you need to really get started is the camera on the back of your phone and a laptop that you might have lying around at home anyway. You shoot with your camera, you upload it to your laptop and upload it to YouTube. It's as simple as that. It doesn't take time at all. And if you are thinking to yourself that this is very difficult, if you are thinking to yourself that people will not like me, if you're thinking to yourself this is something that I cannot do, trust me, every single YouTuber out there has gone through this phase, including myself. I was thinking about starting my YouTube channel about 4 years ago and I completely kept putting it off. Now, I will say I did a lot of research in this time, but it doesn't really help at the end of the day. I have about 1500 subscribers at the time of making this video, and I know that I would be in the range of 300 to 400,000 subscribers at this time if I had started this channel about 4 years ago. So keep that in mind and just get started. You could always remove your earlier videos once you've uploaded about 100 to 150 videos, but you will never really learn how to make YouTube videos until you start making your own YouTube videos. The number of how to make YouTube videos that I have watched have not helped me one bit when compared to the things I've learned by starting to upload my own videos. You can go check out my old videos and compare them to this one for yourself and see how much of a difference I've made to my videos just by uploading every single week. Some of the other ideas that you could start your YouTube channel with are make lists, as in top 5, top 10 lists. That's very popular. If you're an artist, you could make videos of you painting something or any other sort of art. If you're a musician, you could make a video of your own original music. You could play video games. The list is endless. It is absolutely endless, and there is an audience for every single thing on YouTube right now. So don't get bogged down by what your channel should be. Just get started immediately. If you found any value from this video, please don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, because that's what really helps out my channel. I've already prepared a couple of videos for my upcoming weeks, like how you can start purchasing NFTs or non-fungible tokens from the UAE. I've also created my next edition of the FAQ videos where I answer your questions from the comment section down below. And I've also created a video on what is the difference between growth stocks and dividend stocks. So please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.